Hello everyone. In this video we are solving a question related to Doppler effect. The question is, a car horn produces a frequency of 500 Hz. If the car is moving at 25 meter per second towards a stationary observer, what frequency does the observer hear? Assume the speed of sound is 343 meter per second. So in this question we have the following data given to us. Frequency of the source is 500 Hertz and the velocity of source Vs is equal to 25 meter second power minus 1. If you remember the diagram in the last video in which I had explained you how to use the plus and minus sign in the formula of Doppler effect, then this was the diagram. Here this is source and here is the observer, and since source is moving towards the observer, velocity we will take as negative. Why we are taking velocity negative, you can see that in the last video. And here now I'm putting a minus sign. Let's write the formula of Doppler effect, and f dash is equal to f v plus minus v naught divided by v plus minus vs. Now as observer is stationary, we can substitute v naught is equal to 0 in this formula. So this formula will modify to f dash is equal to f v divided by v minus vs, because the source is moving towards the observer, so velocity will be negative. Let's substitute the values. F dash is equal to 500 into 343 divided by 343 minus 25. 25 is the speed of the source. So here we are getting f dash is equal to 500 into 343 divided by 318. Now if we will solve this, we will get f dash is equal to 539 Hertz. So the observed frequency is higher than the original frequency. So here I can write somewhere here the f dash is equal to 539 Hertz. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe button and share with others. Thank you.